Welcome back. Well, it looks like it's going to be much milder tomorrow, but then we do have another front on the way, cooling back down Thursday. Up and down temperatures, highlighting the 10-day forecast. But let's get started with kind of one of the bigger weather news items going across the nation. A big atmospheric river impacting the Pacific Northwest and Western Canada. And the folks out here in the Pacific categorize these atmospheric rivers on a scale of 1 to 5. And this one is a 4. That means very heavy rains. Once you get to 4 or 5, you're looking at not only beneficial rains, but too much rain, mudslides, and then at elevation, huge snow amounts. In fact, the Mount Rainier area expecting somewhere between 5 to 10 feet. Not inches, 5 to 10 feet of snow down the line. All this storm track staying up across the northern part of the U.S. Meanwhile, we're in a nice dry west-northwesterly flow across our part of the world. And you can see snow systems and more weather systems. There's that rain coming in with the atmospheric river at lower elevation. And then there's another Alberta clipper producing more snow and more snow expected in the northeast. Meanwhile, close to home, no snow here. In fact, tonight at 10. We'll take a look at the snow forecast as we get closer to Christmas. We can dream, can't we? Well, high pressure is still in charge. It's going to be dropping down to the Gulf. So tomorrow we get a west-southwest wind. So it'll be cool tonight, but warming up and getting also more humid through the overnight hours. Thus the chance of some patchy fog. Temperatures warm into the low to mid 70s tomorrow. In spite of this front pushing on through by midday or mid-afternoon, the winds will pick up out of the northwest. High pressure settles back in and back down into the upper 30s to lower 40s for Thursday morning. And we'll top out only in the lower 60s for Thursday afternoon. But as we head into Friday, look at this. By lunchtime, already hitting back to 70. Even milder, will go mid-70s for Friday, more than likely for Saturday as well. So here's the Saturday forecast. A few more clouds this weekend. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Here comes another front, though. Maybe a shower or two. But Sunday, much cooler. And then going into Monday morning, we drop down into the low to mid-30s. And then it stays cool next week. Plenty of clouds and maybe some rain chances Wednesday into Thursday. But we don't see any real wet weather systems coming our way anytime soon. So tonight, temperatures dropping down upper 30s to lower 40s above the frost zone, but there could be some patchy fog. Lower 40s, I-10 corridor will go 42 in Lafayette, and pretty much same down along the coast. Cameron by the water, a little bit milder, surrounded by water there. Then temperatures back into the lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. It'll be a little bit warmer as you get into the I-10 corridor, and that warmth will be tempered down across the coastal parishes with the south wind. That keeps us a little bit cooler as water temperatures are now getting closer to the mid-60s across the coastal marshes. So overnight tonight, 42 your overnight low, generally clear, but some patchy fog possible. Maybe some clouds with that moisture turning in during the course of the overnight hours. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny and milder. Should be a gorgeous day. Temperatures topping out in the mid-70s. Breezy winds, though, shifting out of the northwest, could gust as high as about 25 miles per hour. As we get into the 10-day forecast, again, cooler for Thursday. Could see some upper 30s. Friday, Saturday, back into the mid-70s. Then cooling again on Sunday. Minimal rain chances. Could see a light freeze northern parishes come Monday morning. And then it looks like it's seasonally mild with some rain chances as we head into the middle part of next week. Plenty of clouds next week, but not totally gloomy. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.